Embedding a YouTube video on Behance is a great way to showcase dynamic content such as process videos, animations, or presentations. Here's how to do it. Log into Behance. Start by visiting Behance and signing into your account. Create or edit a project. Click on Create a project from your profile dashboard or choose an existing project to edit where you want to embed the video. Find the YouTube video. Go to YouTube and find the video you want to embed. Below the video, click on the Share button and then click on Embed. You will see a box with HTML code. Copy this code. Insert the video into your Behance project. In the Behance project editor, click the Embed Media button, usually represented by a small media icon in the toolbar. Paste the YouTube embed code into the field provided. Adjust placement. After embedding, you can move or resize the video within your Behance project to fit the layout. You may also want to add the description or context around the video. Save and publish. Once satisfied with the placement, save your changes and click publish to make your project live.